Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the subject machine learning. From that, we are starting with first chapter, Introduction to Machine Learning. Okay. So first we will see data science. What is data science? So data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses some scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structured or unstructured data. Okay. So data science means we are going to extract knowledge from indisciplinary field from the data sets which are typically in large size. Okay. The data may be structured data or unstructured data. So structured data, that structured data means the data is formalized or normalized data. Normalized means that data is in tabular format. Okay, some operations are performed on that data. Okay, that is structured data. Or unstructured data means raw data. Okay, raw data means only a data that does not contain any operation, or unprocessed data, that is unstructured data. So we are data science means we are going to perform some operations by using some scientific methods, some processes, or through algorithms to extract knowledge from that data sets. Okay, the data sets may be large in size, or the data may be structured data or unstructured data. Oh, that is data science. Okay, so that data science is also related to data mining. Okay, so in data mining we are going to extract knowledge from the data or the big data. Okay, so data science is also related to data mining, machine learning, and big data. So data mining means we are going to extract knowledge from that structure or unstructured data. Okay, so data science is, it is an interdisciplinary field. By using that, we are going to use some scientific methods, some processes, some algorithms to extract knowledge, or so to extract some information from that structure or unstructured data. Okay, so next one, what is artificial intelligence? Okay, so artificial intelligence refers to the simulation. Okay, simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. Means artificial intelligence, by using AI, we are going to simulate, or we are going to simulation of human intelligence into machines. So we are going to program that machines by human interaction, by human intelligence. Okay, so that machines can perform like humans. Okay, like, so artificial intelligence is based on some principles that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute the task. From the most simple to those that are even more complex. So we can intelligence, we can provide intelligence to more complex systems. Okay, so what is the goal of artificial intelligence? It includes learning, reasoning, and perception. Okay, so artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence into machines. Okay, then the goal of artificial intelligence is, it includes learning, reasoning, and perception. So AI is being used across different industries, including finance sector and healthcare. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence here? It is a technology using which we can create intelligent system. Using artificial intelligence, we can create intelligent systems that can simulate human intelligence. Okay, so we can create a system like, the system like system behaves like a human. Okay, so there is a difference between robotics and artificial intelligence. Okay, both are not similar. Okay, we are going to program that machines so that they can behave like humans. Okay, that is artificial intelligence. So next one is, what is machine learning? Okay, so what is machine learning here? Machine learning is any process by which a system improves performance from experience. Through machine learning, system improves its performance from experience. Experience means from the past data or the past results. Okay, so machine learning is concerned with computer programs that automatically improve their performance through experience. Okay, it concerned with computer programs that automatically improve their performance through experience. Experience means some operations based on their behaviors, based on the past data. So what is machine learning? It is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence which enables machines to learn from past data. What machine learning will do? It enables machines to learn from past data or experiences without being explicitly programmed. There is no need to program it again. Using machine learning techniques, we are going to we are going to enable machines to learn from past data, or we are going to perform some actions or past data or past results or past experience, okay, of that system. That is machine learning. Okay, so we are going to see the difference between data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, so here artificial intelligence, it includes machine learning. Okay, artificial includes machine learning, then that machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Okay, and data science, it includes various data operations. We are going to perform some actions, different actions on structured or unstructured data. That is data science. We are going to analyze that data. Okay, we will see in next part. Okay, so artificial intelligence combines large amounts of data through iterative processing. It combines large amount of data into through iterative processing and through some intelligent algorithms to help computers to learn automatically. Okay, so some things are going to be happen automatically. That is artificial intelligence. So examples of artificial intelligence like automatic car. Okay, automatic doors. We are going to use some sensors, okay, to perform some automatic operations like automations. Okay, automation systems. That is artificial intelligence. Okay, so machine learning uses efficient programs that can use data without being explicitly told to do so. Okay. So it uses some efficient programs so that we can perform some operations on past data. Okay. There are some techniques in machine learning. Next one is data science. Data science works by sourcing, cleaning, and processing data to extract meaning out of it for analytical purpose. To analyze data, data science will perform some operations on that data. Okay, it will process that data to extract meaningful information from that data. Okay, then some of the popular tools for AI like Tensor, TensorFlow 2, Scikit-learn, Keras. Okay, these are the some tools for artificial intelligence. Then machine learning, there are some tools for machine learning like Amazon Lex 2, IBM Watson Studio 3, Microsoft Azure ML Studio. Then for data science, some tools are SAS 2, Tableau 3, Apache Spark 4, and MATLAB. These are some tools for data science. Okay. Then artificial intelligence uses logics and decision trees. These are some techniques or some algorithms which are used by artificial intelligence. Okay. So machine learning, what machine learning uses? It uses statistical models. There are some statistical models or some methods for machine learning to operate on that system or to operate on the data. Okay. So data science deals with structure and unstructured data. I already told about structured data and unstructured data. Okay, so some applications for artificial intelligence like chatbots, voice assistant. Okay, so voice assistant means Google provide voice assistant. Okay, we are going to give some order to that system. Okay, that system will perform based on our voice assistants. Okay, then machine learning, some examples for machine learning like recommendation systems. Recommendation systems like Spotify, facial recognitions are popular examples. Okay, so recommendation systems are included. Machine learning includes recommendation systems. Okay, like you can say some sites like Amazon site. Okay, if we search any product, like we have searched for any mobile. Okay, whenever in next time we are going to visit that site, it will recommend some mobiles related to our search. That is recommendation system. Okay, the next one is data science. Examples for data science is like fraud detection and healthcare analysis. Okay, these are some popular examples of data science. We are going to detect the fraud from any system or healthcare to analyze. Okay, this is the difference between data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Okay. The next one is why learn. While learning machine learning, that is why we are going to learn. Okay, what is learn? Why we learn? So machine learning is a programming. Machine learning is programming computers to optimize the performance using example data or past experience of that system. Okay, so there is no need to learn to calculate payroll. Okay. So what learning is used when learning is used. Okay. So whenever human expertise does not exist, at that time we are going to use machine learning. For example, navigating on Mars. On Mars there are no human beings. Okay. So we are going to use that machine learnings. Okay. Human expertise is not exist on that Mars. For navigating, we are going to use some, so what we can say, some machines. Okay. So next one is when learning is used, humans are unable to explain their expertise, like speech recognition. In speech recognition system, we are going to use machine learning. The next one is solution changes in time. At that time, when solutions are changes over network, okay, on routing, okay, routing on a computer network. Whenever we are going to route the network, that solution changes in time. Okay, so that time we are going to use learning. Then solutions needs to be adapted to particular cases like user biometrics. At that time we are like attendance system. Okay, biometrics attendance system. So at that time we have to use machine learning. Okay. So what we talk about when we talk about learning. Okay, when we talk about learning, it will build a model that is good and useful approximation to the data. Based on the data, we are going to deal with the model. Like that model should be good and useful for approximation. Okay, so it will give the knowledge. Okay, knowledge here, knowledge means the meaningful information from the data. Okay. So next one is what is actual machine learning is. Okay, so while studying machine learning is, it is a study of algorithms that improve their performance based on some task with their experience. Okay, that is machine learning. We are going to perform some operations, we are going to study the algorithms. Based on that study of other algorithms, we are going to improve their performance by some task with experience. Okay, that is machine learning. So through machine learning, we are going to optimize the performance using example data or past experience. Here, example data or past experience, you will get or you will know after, whenever we are going to continue with the lectures, you will know what is example data, what is past experience when we are talking about machine learning. Okay, whenever we are going to study some algorithms, you will know what is example data or what is past experience of the system. Okay, so role of statistics, that is inference from a sample. Okay. So whenever we are going to study the machine learning, we are going to, there are some role of statistics, role of computer science. That is, it will use efficient algorithms to solve the optimization problems, to represent and evaluating the model of inference. Okay. So that is machine learning. Through machine learning, we are going to improve performance of previous algorithms or existing things. Okay, we are going to improvise that systems. So growth of machine learning, here you can see the growth of machine learning. Here machine learning is preferred approach to for speech recognition, natural language processing, computer vision, medical outcomes analysis, robot control, computational biology. Here you have, in multiple films you have seen the robotics, that robots are get controlled by some human beings. Okay, that is possible because of machine learning. Okay, that means we are going to interact with machines through machine learning or through artificial intelligence. So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. We are going to control that machines through some techniques. Okay, this trend is accelerating. Why? Because of it improve machine learning algorithms, improve data capture, networking, faster computers, software too complex to write by hand. Okay, that's why we are going to use machine learning. So there are new sensor, new IO devices, demand for self customization to user, environmental changes. Okay, so it is difficult to extract knowledge from human experts. That's why we are going to use machine learning to extract the knowledge from that things. Okay, so there are some applications of machine learning like association analysis, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Okay, in supervised learning, classification, regression, predictions. For that, there are several algorithms. While we are going to study the supervised learning, unsupervised learning in next session. Okay, then you will get to know that what are how these applications are under the machine learning. Why these are the applications of machine learning. Okay, so next part is traditional programming and machine learning. That is traditional programming versus machine learning. Here in this diagram, you will see this is the traditional programming approach. Okay. Here you can see the computer having we are having data and we are having program. We are going to program that data through computer and we will get output. This is the traditional way of programming. Okay. This is the traditional programming. We are having data. Based on the data, we are going to program that data to computer. We will get the output. But in machine learning, we are having data. We know what is the output. Okay, what we get the program through machine learning. Okay, this is the difference between traditional programming and machine learning. Okay, so here you will see the traditional programming. It is a manual process. Traditional programming is manual process. That means a person, that is a person means a programmer creates a program, but without any programming, but without anyone programming the logic. Okay, one has to manually formulate or code the rules. We are having some rules. We have the input data. Here you can see we have the input data, and programmer, we have a programmer that will code that input database, code that data or program that data. Okay, and runs on a computer to produce the desired output. We are having programmer and we are having data. So that programmer will program that inputted data, okay, and create a program. So based on that inputted data and program, what we will get output of that program or that data. That is traditional programming. Okay. And what is machine learning? Machine learning. So machine learning, on the other hand, the input data and output are fed on to an algorithm to create a program. Okay, so what we are having input data and we are having output. We, for example, suppose we are having one data and we know the what is the output of data. We are having some requirements, we know what we want and what is the output if we are giving this input. Okay, so what we want in machine learning, we want the program. Okay, so by using some techniques, we will create that program based on that data. Okay, so there are several algorithms in machine learning to get that program. So what is the difference between traditional programming and machine learning? This is the basic difference for that. Here you can see in traditional programming, what we have data and program. What we will get output. In machine learning, what we have data, we have output, we know the output through some algorithms. What we will get after executing this, we will get the program through machine learning. Okay, so without anyone programming logic, in traditional programming, one has to manually formulate. Okay, we have to manually formulate the code rules and we will get the output. Okay, in machine learning, algorithms automatically formulate the rules from the data. Okay, in machine learning, we are going to formulate rule for that data. Okay, after that we will get the program. That is very powerful. Okay, in machine learning, we are going to form the rules for that data. Based on that rules, we are going to create the program. Okay, that's it for today's session. Okay.